Import the CAD model in Maya. It's too heavy a model. The poly count is 678,232. We will use the Poly Cruncher plugin to optimize the CAD model. Run the script editor and type Poly Crunch in the Mel tab. Select the model and run the script. Tick the Keep Normal, Keep Textures and Auto Calculate. When I try to reduce the model, there is some issue model faces. So let's fix this first. Select the model, ungroup, delete history and optimize scene size. Rename the CAD model. The issue of CAD model is that all faces are separated, so we'll merge all vertexes. Now the issue is fixed. Now run the script again, type Poly Crunch in the Mel tab, and run the script. Tick the Keep Normal, Keep Textures and Auto Calculate. Now you and optimize your model as per your requirements.